Hi, my name is Greg Matthews, and today we're going to be replacing the tilt latch on a H3 and premium double hung. Okay, so first you unlock the sash, lift it up about 6 inches, press the tilt latches towards the center of the sash, and then pull it out towards you. Lower it to about 90 degrees, so you lift one side, and then remove the sash. So to replace the tilt latches, the screw is hidden underneath the actual tilt latch lever. We have a little shoe that stays in there. There you have it. So Phillips head screwdriver, these are number 2. Sometimes they use a number 1 screw, so make sure you have both available. To replace the tilt latches on the top sash, you go through the same steps that you do on the bottom by bringing the sash down to 90 degrees, removing it, and as you can see in the trap door, you have the screws exposed. And to reinstall, you just go in the opposite direction. Okay, install the bottom sash. So once you install it, you need to do the H3 shimmy and then tilt it up into place. And you're ready to go. You press the tilt latches, and there you go. Thank you for watching our video. And for additional information and resources, please visit our website.